Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can edit image generations and creations on Adobe Firefly. If you'd like to enhance it, add various edits and changes to it manually, so let us guide you through it. Navigate to your image generation project on Adobe Firefly and switch from the Generate tab to Edit here at the top. Or alternately, you may stay at the Generate tab and browse through your conversation with the artificial intelligence, because here in the Edit tab you would need to create a new prompt. I don't want to do this right now, so I'm going to use that image here from that prompt. So what you want to do is navigate to the given outcome or image, click into Edit in the top left and select Edit Image here. And now you'll be redirected to that Edit tab with the given image. So what you want to do is either enter a follow-up prompt here at the bottom to let the artificial intelligence add these changes and edits to it. Like for example, I don't know, in this case here I could for instance enter a prompt like replace the mountain in the background and insert an entire mountain range or something like that, or make the sky, make it a night sky, not a day sky, daylight. So what you want to do, guys, is go through these options here. You may for instance use various markup tools, remove various objects, remove the entire background, use the upscale resolution image quality feature, and so on and so forth. You may choose a different image generation model from that menu. You may attach reference images here for context. So guys, yeah, that's up to you. I'm going to leave it like that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.